Welcome to this step-by-step walkthrough on creating your own health BMI and macro calculator using Outgrow. So let's get started. First, log into your Outgrow account. From your dashboard, select Calculator as your content type. This will take you to a new page where you can start from scratch, choose a pre-made template, or even build a calculator using Outgrow's AI. If you choose pre-made, you'll also find dozens of industry standard calculators that you can explore for inspiration and ideas. Once inside the builder, you'll notice it's divided into two main sections. The left panel. This is where you can add, delete, or rearrange your questions and sections. Right side preview. Here, you can watch every change update in real time, and this makes it super easy to visualize the calculator as you build it. Now let's personalize the look and feel. And from here, you can change the heading, let's say BMI calculator, update the button text, select a background image, even switch to a completely different layout. If you want your welcome screen to look more like a landing page, simply toggle on Convert to Landing Page, click Add New to include new sections, lead generation forms, or Outgrow offers multiple question types, including multi-select, single select, drop down, text input, and many more. Let's begin with a single select question. After selecting it, you can add your question heading, like what is your gender, add all your answer options, include icons or images if needed. Perfect for questions like gender, activity level, or goals. To capture inputs like age, height, or weight, select numeric range slider, or you can set minimum value, maximum value, left default value, right default value, and toggle on units, let's say years for age. If you need users to type in a number, for example, weight in kilograms, choose text input. Just remember, set validation to numeric. Add a question heading and a placeholder and a default value if needed. Now it's time to create your results page. This is what the user sees after completing the calculator. Here you can add a heading, insert an image, embed a video, add a chat widget, or even display macros and BMI values in a table format. This is where you'll show BMI calculation and daily macro breakdown once everything is set. Click the eye icon to preview your entire calculator. Make sure it flows smoothly and all formulas work correctly. When you're happy with the result, hit go live and your health, BMI, and macro calculator is officially published. And that's it. You've just created a powerful and personalized health BMI and macro calculator using Outgrow's intuitive builder. Outgrow makes the entire process simple, from designing your layout to adding interactive questions and generating dynamic results. You're all set to share your calculator with your audience. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today. Sign up to try it now.